All right, so we got the Skyline RB25 GTS first startup. Let's see how she do. ISR Exhaust. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, that's a badass startup. That's Skyline mode. That's let's hear it. You hear that? That's that Skyline startup. Betos, first startup, bro. How's she sounding already? You gonna let her warm it up?
Gotta let it warm it up.
That's it, yo. Got the tools on deck over there. You know how it is. You know how we do. Betos put this exhaust on. Let's see what it looks like underneath. You got some light over here, yo? Shine some light underneath. Look at that. So we got the cat right now in. And just a cat back for now. You know, little cat delete's coming soon, right? It's just a temporary. It's a cat back. See how she rolling. Checking out for air leaks and all that. You know how it is. She's sounding good though, Mesa. She's sounding good, man.